All right, lords and ladies, here's what we got going on this week. I'm trying something new and creating a video for you. This is the materials you need. Um, and I'm going to show you, I can't really move them around, so here's what I want you to do, okay? This is a brief description of each, okay? So if you don't understand this video, it should help you. This video right here is probably where you should start. It's got a cool Schoolhouse Rock video. It's got some basic written information. It's got some mapping to work on. It ties everything into Andrew Jackson and the Trail of Tears, which you've already learned about. So start here, okay? And then feel free to go to these Khan Academy videos. And they're not particularly amusing or fun, but they really are slideshows that help you out a lot and they convey a lot of information. Then go to this site right here and you'll find a video by the fast-talking AP US history teacher that does a great job of kind of injecting humor and doing some really fun stuff, but he'll do a really good job of bringing everything together for you. That should teach you everything you need to know. And you watch all that stuff, and I think it comes out to a total of maybe 30 minutes worth of videos. Once you watch all that stuff, then you go ahead and do the assignment. The assignment's just a bunch of questions where you apply the stuff that you read here. But that's kind of the way you should do it. This one gives you the basics. These two really drives it home. And then this guy is pretty funny and kind of helps you really sink it in there. As always, email me if you have any questions whatsoever. And let me know if the video worked. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.